Let's say that this shaded rectangle represents a table, and I want to put a sheet of glass on top of the table. Let's say that the glass looks like this. Well, that glass covers the entire area of the table and its edges are parallel to the sides. But let's say that the glass looks something like this. You can see no matter where I move this glass, I can move it this way, I can move it this way, I could even rotate it 90 degrees. No matter what I try and do, that piece of glass is never going to cover the entire area of the table. So the answer to the question really depends on the shape of the glass. And even with both statements together, I know that the table is 60 by 36, which means that the area of the table is going to be 2160. So since the area of the glass is bigger than the area of the table, it would be possible to cut a piece of glass that covers the entire table. But if the glass I cut is really long and skinny, even if the area is bigger than the area of the table, it might not be able to cover the entire table. So I still don't know the answer to the question, making the correct answer E.